Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, how are you today? I hope you fine.
Okay, we are from Titken. We'll be prologic conversation
About asking and giving opinion.
I am Lapis from I2 class.
I am Rahmatullah Lami from Act 2 class.
I am Rizky Sapra from Act 2 class.
How are you, Ray and Misty?
Good.
Think or are you doing?
Raisi B12, I am healthy.
Do you have money?
Need of money.
Yes, I am here.
Oh, I bet way to cafe. What do you think?
Don't get diri are left up over there.
Yes, 3 are lost of Robert 3.
What's your idea?
Me idea is we go for our walk to the man we had about.
Okay, that's a great idea.
Let's go straight to the mall.
Okay, we're here.
That's. What do you think about this mall?
This mall is nice and has lots of shops. What do you think?
Okay, let's go. So what do you think?
Okay, that's a good idea.
Better if we start my review. Telling what do you think about my idea?
Yeah. Yeah, that is a good idea.
Let's sleep so we don't have to let tomorrow.
Let's sleep so we don't have to head tomorrow.
Let's go to sleep.
Let's go to sleep the next day.
Let's go around this mall. What do you think?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Come on, let's go short when we to Basi.
Let's go to California. What do you think about my idea?
Come on, that's a great idea. And so, what to do a new telephone?
Your idea is good. I also want to buy new phone.
Let's go. Today, what's up? How you think our idea?
Good idea. I'm free. Okay.
Yes, I am very hungry.
You're full. Let's go have dinner to sleep.
Yes, let's go take love. I'll go any sleep.
Come on, let's not make it late at night.
Come on, we're here.
Come on in. Let's go to me room. I want to sleep.
Come on, let's sleep so we don't oversleep the next day.
Let's go back or respect the homeless.
Let's go home. Let's go home so we don't have to sleep.
Yes, I want to sleep.
Yes, I want to sleep.
Yes, I want to sleep.
Thank you.
For my about giving advice. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.